everybody, it's Tiffany and I'm here to introduce you to the medium store and clip pod. So the medium store and clip pod comes flat like all the other pods. It has a little bottom insert down in there and you're just gonna push this out and then stuff that in. That's gonna give you the structure. It's got the band all the way around for clipping the pods together, which is how if they're not standing in the tray, how you keep them all standing up straight, and you can configure them any way you want. You may have seen the main video, which kind of went through all of that. If you haven't seen it, please feel free to watch it. It'll kind of show you more about clipping those together. So this is 6.5 by 8 by 3.25 deep, and it's going to work for a variety of different storage options. This one I have loaded with our 8 by 5 tab divider pockets. It's got your slimline size envelopes, your slimline size dies. It's a great way to store those types of things. And again, it does work with both the 8 by 5 pockets with the flap and the 8 by 5 pockets without the flap are both going to fit in there. So perfect for slimline card making, slimline storage, that type of thing. Obviously a great option for desktop storage as well. All different types of things are going to fit in there. This one is just loaded with tri-blend markers so you can see how they fit in that. So perfect for a good way to be using them in and out of that container. Maybe you have them stored somewhere else and you're working on a project. It's a great place to put all those together that you're working on with a particular project. So again, perfect for craft storage, great for desktop or the garage or anywhere like that. You're gonna love this little piece, the medium size store and clip pod. And again, it's 6.5 by 8 by 3. It'll hold a large variety of items, both crafting items and then just regular, office supply organization, garage organization, that type of thing. Works with our whole store and clip pod collection or can be used separately.